Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Node, JS LTS and NPM installed. Once confirmed, create your project folder and run npm init to scaffold package. JSON. Next, install Express or your chosen framework and NodeMin so you can restart on file changes. Create an index. JS entry file and a simple get route to test. Make sure to add git ignore for node modules and any secrets. This preserves a clean repo and avoids leaking credentials. You now implement the core logic. Define versioned RESTful routes like /API/v1/items and map them to controller functions. Create controllers that call service layer functions so you separate business logic from request handling. Use async /await with try/catch and centralize error handling middleware for consistent responses. Add middleware for JSON parsing, cores, and structured logging. Include input validation with a library like Joy or Express. You finish by writing tests, unit tests for services and integration tests for endpoints using Jest or Mocha to ensure stability. Once tests pass, factor environment-specific configs and secure secrets with Dotenv or a dedicated manager. Do not hardcode keys. Prepare deployment scripts and choose a hosting platform that fits scale, Heroku, Versal, or Oz. Once deployed, add health checks, logging, and monitoring. Troubleshooting tip. If endpoints fail, inspect logs, reproduce locally with same env values, and run tests to isolate the failing layer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.